So, good morning mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So, today we are on our week number 30 of year 2024. So, mga kabuchi, we are very excited to see that our kangkong are already germinating mga kabuchi. So, look here mga kabuchi, oh. So, these are how the kangkongs are germinating mga kabuchi. See mga kabuchi, oh. So, they are already giving us leaves and some are just starting to germinate mga kabuchi. So, inuna na sila mga kabuchi. They are very, very happy here. Yes, I think we are already happy here. So, we are now having our own kangkungan right at the back of our kitchen mga kabuchi. So hopefully by next week mga kabuchi, they will be having so many leaves na mga kabuchi. And then our ampalaya also mga kabuchi, we already have this one fruit from our ampalaya. It's actually time check, it's 10 in the morning mga kabuchi. And we have here another ampalaya, 2. And then there's our third ampalaya mga kabuchi. And then right inside one, and we have another over there mga kabuchi. So I think by next week or within this, after a few days mga kabuchi, these ampalaya now are ready for harvest. I am trying to check if we can see female flowers in our ampalaya mga kabuchi, but I am not seeing any mga kabuchi. So let's try to check our lime over here mga kabuchi. So the ampalaya over here mga kabuchi starting to crawl. And then this is our lime mga kabuchi. I think we are trying to adjust to this new environment pa mga kabuchi. No new stem or branches mga kabuchi. And then the wild alugbati here mga kabuchi. We have some tops ready for harvest. And then the gabi over here mga kabuchi, I am going to remove the gabi mga kabuchi because the worm of the gabi mga kabuchi are very, very big mga kabuchi. So we will try to eliminate that one or no na lang, no? I think I will try to let the gabi grow mga kabuchi. Maybe we can also harvest from that gabi mga kabuchi, diba? Okay, and then mga kabuchi, our lemon here mga kabuchi. We already have kuan mga kabuchi. This is the already new branch mga kabuchi. But the other one mga kabuchi, I think the other branch here is exhausted. Well, this one, the supposed to be energy for the fruit mga kabuchi is now for this branch mga kabuchi. Oh, we also have new branch here mga kabuchi. Oh, so this is the effect of removing the fruit mga kabuchi. So it's very promising now mga kabuchi. So it's really good that we already remove the fruit over here mga kabuchi. But this side here mga kabuchi, there's a little movement mga kabuchi. Maybe we can check next week mga kabuchi. And then mga kabuchi, our Baguio beans here mga kabuchi. Actually, 3 sprouted mga kabuchi, but then the other 2 mga kabuchi, they did not survive mga kabuchi. So this one mga kabuchi is the lonely Baguio beans mga kabuchi. So if ever it will grow and bear fruits mga kabuchi, maybe we can have this one as a source of our seeds mga kabuchi, but I don't know. And then the string beans mga kabuchi, oh, they are very leggy, the seedlings over here. So these are 1 week old. If you can remember, we planted this together with the kangkong mga kabuchi. So this sprouted also very quick mga kabuchi. Hala mga kabuchi, naputol ang batong diri mga kabuchi. Ay man naputol mga kabuchi eh. I think somebody visited our garden mga kabuchi. Ay, sayang mga kabuchi, no? So only 2 here survive, and then another 2 here. So we'll see next week mga kabuchi if they are still here mga kabuchi, because we also have some visitors in our garden mga kabuchi, like chickens and kids. So I hope that they will survive. And then our talong mga kabuchi, this talong over here mga kabuchi, oh, the leaves are starting to grow like this mga kabuchi. I don't know, maybe these are best. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut my talong or let them survive on their own mga kabuchi. So this gulang man naman ni siya, wala man harvest akong sister. So gulang naman ni ang kangkong, ang talong. They should have been harvested mga kabuchi. So the siling panigang here mga kabuchi, I think it will survive mga kabuchi. So the talong and the sili here mga kabuchi are not going well mga kabuchi. As well as the sige tipangan ato mga kabuchi. Kuan siya. Onions, bunching onions. So they were planted right over on this one mga kabuchi. Batik yung ang among napalit na ang ilang napalit di ay possibly this just given to me ba. But what the both na chicken manure mga kabuchi is not good because it has so many stones mga kabuchi. And then we have here the bunching onion right here mga kabuchi is I think okay. And then our tanglad mga kabuchi is struggling mga kabuchi. I hope that the cats mga kabuchi will no longer bother them mga kabuchi so that we can survive. So overall, this only our garden update mga kabuchi. Our ginger pa di ay mga kabuchi. The only green, di na only because the ampalaya are also doing very well na. Let's have a headshot of the ampalaya. They are already doing well naman. The ampalaya and the ginger. And hopefully here, the kangkong will also be doing well mga kabuchi. Then on this side mga kabuchi, I'm not sure if I'm going to plant another one mga kabuchi on this side. I think I will not be planting anything usap in this side mga kabuchi because our plan is to also plant new gingers in this area mga kabuchi. Single line like this one mga kabuchi ba. So after our harvest here, we will also plant some ginger over here. And then this place here, we'll let the soil rest or we will plant another mga kabuchi. So it depends on the seedling that we can find mga kabuchi. And so mga kabuchi, what can I say? I think this is already the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.